Hi friends, myself Jijo Joes from UX Shots and welcome to yet another video from this channel. As you can see from the title of this video, we are going to touch base upon the topic empathetic design. Now before I give you a clear introduction about what exactly empathetic design means, let me give you a definition about empathy and how different it is from the word sympathy. Let me give you an example. Say if your friend met with an accident and had a leg injury. If you are just feeling sorrowful about their misfortune, that means you are being sympathetic to your friend and hence the word sympathy. However, if you have experienced a similar situation like that and can understand how the other person is feeling about it, that means you are being empathetic to your friend and hence the word empathy. This is what the difference is between empathy and sympathy. Now, coming back to the topic, what exactly empathetic design means? It means designing with empathy, the ability to see the world through other people's eyes, to see what they see, to feel what they feel, and trying to experience the things around them. This is what empathetic design means. Now, let us try to know why empathetic design is important in our design process. It begins with the rule of thumb of UX. You are not thy user, which means as UX designers, you are not designing the product for yourself. It is for your end users or target customers. Empathy in design thinking means going an extra mile in order to understand your end users' motivations, goals, emotions, and pain points. Keeping these aspects in mind, we become better designers with which we are able to provide a more effective design solution. In fact, empathy is the first stage in our design thinking approach. Here, we try to understand our end users' difficulties and trying to uncover their desires and needs. Hence, empathetic design is very crucial in our human-centered design process as well as for its business success. Now, how can we practice empathy in our day-to-day lives? And why is it very important? It is a prerequisite as UX designers that you need to be empathetic. And it is very important to invoke empathy within yourselves as well as for your designs. Now, what are the different ways of practicing empathy? Let us find out. Here are the different ways of practicing empathy. First, observe. Observe as many people as you can and try to understand their experiences around them. Second, talk. Talk to as many people as you can and let them explain their life experiences. Try to understand the emotion behind it. Third, open-mindedness. Always be open-minded and never let bias into your thinking while you are talking with your end users. Fourth, avoid distractions. While interviewing your end users in order to understand their emotion, avoid distractions and always withhold judgment while listening to them. Fifth, acceptance. Accept what you see and hear, even though if it contradicts your own views. And last but not the least, sixth one, experience on your own. Try to experience everything as much as possible on your own and keep a record of it. You never know when it comes in handy, especially while you're trying to design for your own products. As UX designers, the one deliverable that we can present to our business clients as well as to your own team members in order to identify our end users' needs and desires while using an application or a service is your empathy map. The empathy map, along with your persona, is a guide for designers, which puts the user and the product in context. As you can see here, the empathy map consists of 4 main sections where we identify the end user's needs and difficulties. These are the following sections: think and feel, see, say and do, here. The last two sections seen at the bottom, pain and gain, refers to the summary as well as the conclusion to which we try to identify the end user's emotion by using a specific application or a service. As you can see, empathetic design is very important and crucial for our UX design process. This is because it gives us an in-depth knowledge and understanding of our end users' emotions, and that way we are able to design effective solutions in order to meet the three parameters for a successful product: desirability, feasibility, and viability. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries or extra points you wish to communicate to us, please do comment below. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you once again. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.